In this video, I'll be teaching you here then there. It's a pretty intermediate card trick. Let's begin. So what I'll do is I'll just have him choose a card. Have a look at it. I'd like to take it back. I'll show the camera one more time, and then we're going to lose it right in the deck, right about there. Now all we do is we push it in and I say, look, your card has jumped to the top of the deck. There it is. Was it the 10 of clubs?
It was.
Wow! So now what I'll do is I'll just have you hold your hand out like this, and go ahead and put your other hand on top, sandwich it. And then I'm going to take my card. This is my card. This card shows me the 3 of hearts. All I have to do is just wave it over top of your hand like that, and poof, they switch spots. I have the 10 of clubs, which means you must have the 3 of hearts.
What?
For this trick, you will need to use 2 duplicate cards. I used the 2 3 of hearts in this trick. So what we'll do is I'll just start by placing these 2 right on top. And all I need to do is have him choose a card. But in order to prevent him from choosing the top card, when I perform this for real, I will cut over a block of cards, and I'll give the fan cut so that way he can choose out a card from that portion. But when you actually perform the trick, you can do it the other way because they just normally go right for the center. So I'll take the card back, and whenever I take the card back, I get a break under the top first card, and I do something called the Marlowe tilt, where you'll put the card in like that, making it look like, first I usually push out a couple cards like that to make it look like I'm pushing the card in, and I just push it in right underneath the top card. Then what I'll do is I'll do a double lift where you pick up 2 cards at once, just like that. I have the 7 of hearts, his card there. So what I do is I flip it over and I hand him the 3 of hearts that I'm going to be swapping him out for. So he holds onto that. I say, go ahead and put that right in between your 2 hands. And then I say, I'm going to use my card now. So I go ahead and I do another double lift. Now with his card on top and mine on the bottom. Remember, he is the duplicate 3. So we'll take this, we'll flip it back over. I take his card, I wave it like that, and I say, look, your cards have changed spots. That trick is done.